Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master gaming PC is a high-performance system designed for gamers who demand speed, reliability, and immersive visuals. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 700F processor, which runs at 4.1 GHz and features 8 powerful cores. This CPU provides excellent multi-core performance, allowing you to handle demanding games, streaming, content creation, and multitasking with ease. Combined with 16 GB of DDR5 memory, the system ensures smooth performance across all modern games and applications. Loading times are extremely fast thanks to the 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, which delivers lightning-fast storage speeds, making game launches, file transfers, and system boot times virtually instantaneous. The graphics capabilities of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master are equally impressive. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 GB of dedicated video memory, this PC provides high frame rates in 1080p and 1440p gaming and even delivers a smooth experience in some 4K titles depending on settings. The RTX 5060 supports ray tracing and DLSS, which enhances visuals by adding realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, creating an immersive gaming environment. You'll also find multiple display options, including HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, allowing you to set up multiple monitors for gaming, streaming, or productivity. Connectivity is another strong point of this gaming PC. It includes the latest standards such as Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless speeds, Bluetooth 5.3 for connecting peripherals and audio devices, and multiple USB ports, including 2 USB-C 3.2 ports and 4 USB-A 3.2 ports, along with 2 additional USB-A 2.0 ports. There is also a dedicated LAN port for stable wired internet connections, which is essential for competitive gaming. The system supports 7.1 channel audio, delivering clear, immersive sound whether you are playing a high-intensity shooter or enjoying an open-world adventure. Aesthetically, the Gamer Master is designed to appeal to gamers who appreciate both style and function. It features a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase the internal components and RGB lighting. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your gaming setup, letting you match the colors with your gaming room or peripherals. The package also includes a keyboard and mouse, which ensures that you have everything you need to get started immediately without worrying about compatibility or additional purchases. CyberPowerPC also provides strong support with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime technical support. This ensures that any issues can be resolved quickly and efficiently, providing peace of mind and reliability. Whether you're a casual gamer, a streamer, or someone who uses their PC for content creation, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is designed to deliver consistent, high-level performance. Its combination of a powerful CPU, advanced GPU, fast DDR5 memory, and lightning-speed PCIe 4.0 storage makes it a capable system for today's demanding games and future-proof enough for upcoming titles. Overall, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master gaming PC is a balanced and well-thought-out system that excels in performance, connectivity, and design. It offers gamers a smooth, immersive experience, whether it is for high-end gaming, streaming, or multitasking. With the added benefit of modern connectivity options, a visually appealing RGB design, and reliable support from CyberPowerPC, this gaming PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience to the next level.